Welcome everyone. Now, you might have had this feeling when doing something or about to start one. Something always want to pull you back to old habits, which on the surface of it may seem comfortable but lead to nowhere. Never choose comfort. Never play it safe. Play it well. Play it courageously. Play it for all it's worth, but never play it safe. You have within you infinite potential not yet undreamed of. It's good to remember that it's either you move back to safety or forward towards growth. Nothing in this universe stands still. You have a choice. You can choose to go forward or do nothing and then go backward. All growth is from within. You and I have security inside, and you'll be safe and secured. You don't need any strain or effort. Now think. You can have what you want. There's no limit to what you can do. It's all about the mind. It's important you get this. What you want has to be fashioned in your conscious mind. Also, find that idea remains in your conscious mind, nothing happens. But when you properly plant the idea in your subconscious mind, then things start to happen. You see, your objective faculties are products of your conscious mind, while your subjective phenomena, such as your emotions, are products of your subconscious mind. But the subconscious mind is connected to the universal mind, and you can bring it to your life anything you want. Now ask yourself, am I having all kind of doubt and fear right now? Remember, those are negative energy, and you will attract more of that. I want you to read and study The Science of Mind by Ernest Holmes. Really study that material, study the book, and you will find a great deal of ideas that will help you a lot. Now, most people are living boring and meaningless lives, and you don't have to be smart to find it out for yourself. And you don't seem to break out of it. If you are one of them, I want you to re-examine your reason for living. And most of all, think. It's important you think. It may take some time for the answer to pop up, but it will definitely come. Most individuals are very good at dismissing ideas, especially theirs and others, because they think that any new idea that runs counter to established principle will fail. This happen all the time, but you have to just be conscious of what is going on around you. Your imagination is important, and people moving around with absolutely lack of an imagination. It's well to remember that just like anything else, what you don't use, you're going to lose. Now, listen, I want you to really get this. There are several ways to stay productive. I'm going to give you the best way, which is before you go to bed, write out 6 most important things you have to do tomorrow in an orderly way. And when you wake up the following day, go to work on number one. Stay with it until completion, then move on to number two, and so on. This will take all the confusion out of your mind. Now, really do this. The more order you have in your life, the more productive you will become. Order is heaven's first law. And once anything is not organized in an orderly way, it produces chaos. But get this, out of all chaos comes order. Now think, achieving what you want, achieving your goals, whatever it is you want very much, require daily creative thinking. You must keep asking yourself, how can I increase my service? And by so doing, maximize my results. And never let present circumstances control your thinking. For you will keep creating more of the same old thing. Most people are caught in a self-fulfilling cycle of whatever it is they are trying to avoid. And they keep blaming circumstances, outside forces for what is going on in their life. To change what is going on in your life, you have to first change those old programming in your subconscious mind. You see, success is available to all, but only the few are willing to go after it. For the majority, this whole game is too complicated and they have given up, surrender to circumstances. You should not be concerned what other people think of you. What they think is none of your business, nor should you make it yours. Most people are always trying to cut corners, trying to outsmart people. But at the end of the day, they get outsmarted. But if you follow what's good on the outside, you come to the very bad thing you're trying to avoid. But having an identity of your own, you can set a straight course towards what you want. Everything will come to you, not when you want it, obviously. They will come when you need it. Success is not a matter of luck. You and I are dealing with universal laws that are not man-made and they're not going to be changed by man. It's important you understand this. I want to thank you for watching. This is Victor Anya, and bye for now.